Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to manage dual SIM card in your OnePlus Nord N20 SE. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this OnePlus Nord N20 SE, and we all know OnePlus N20 SE supported dual SIM, and you are looking for how to manage dual SIM card. For example, you want to less internet using or data connection using from SIM 1, or let go all outgoing call from SIM 2, or let every time there will, whenever you try to call, there will be pop-up appear, do you like to call from SIM 1 or SIM 2. So in order to do that, or managing your dual SIM card in your OnePlus N20 SE, you need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, you need to click here mobile network. After click over mobile network, you will see we have SIM number 1 and SIM number 2. So if you want to make default all outgoing call from SIM 2, you can click here calling, and you can easily choose here SIM 2. So from now, if I'm trying to call anyone, all those calls going to be from SIM 2. Same thing if you want to use internet connection from SIM 2, you can choose here internet, and you will see all your SIM card. You can easily choose SIM 1 or SIM 2. So I would like to choose SIM 2. Or you might be want to let every time whenever you want to call someone, let the screen give you option, do you like to call from SIM 1 or SIM 2. You can make this calling section and choose here always ask. So within this simple way, you can easily manage dual SIM card in your OnePlus Nord N20 SE. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.